Good morning, grade 8. Today we are going to start lesson 4, electric power and safety. All of you know all appliances transform electrical energy into other form. Appliances transform electrical energy to sound energy, like amplifier in a guitar. Appliances transform electrical energy into thermal energy, like toaster, and so on. Yes? Power. What's meant by power? Power is the rate at which energy is transformed from one form to another. Power is the rate at which energy is transformed from one form to another. This is power, rate. Yes? What is the unit of power? We mentioned before power in the lesson of energy, but in this case we relate power with voltage and current. Okay? Electrical energy can be transformed through appliances to thermal, to sound, to mechanical. Bright bulb. Bright bulb with power rating 100 watt, yes, will be bright, but dimmer one with less power, less watt than a bright one. So a bright bulb with power rating 100 watt, while a dimmer bulb with power rating 60 watts. Yes? This means that the brighter bulb transforms or uses electrical energy. So the bulb that with 100 watt, it looks bright. Why? Because the electrical energy uses at faster rate than the dimmer one. So it looks bright because it has 100 watt. So it can transform electrical energy into light energy at a faster rate. So it looks bright than the bulb with less power, 60 watts, so it looks dimmer. It looks dimmer. How can you calculate power? From the relation power equal voltage time current. Power equal voltage time current. So current equal power divided voltage, the unit of power watt. So watt equal volt time ampere. Yes? So power tells you how much energy an appliance uses in a certain amount. And power tells you how much energy an appliance uses in a certain amount of time. Yes, the total amount of energy used equal power time. The power that tells you energy in a certain amount of time, this is called the total amount of energy used, which equal power time. يبقى الباور في التايم ده بيديني total amount of energy used by appliance. اليونت for total amount of energy تبقى kilowatt time hour or watt time hour and so on. What about short circuit? Short circuit is a connection that allows current to take the path of least resistance. Short circuit means path that allows current to take of least resistance. Okay, so when current pass in a short circuit, this means less resistance. So circuit with short path, this connection allow the current to flow with least resistance. Touching a frayed wire, يعني frayed wire means wire not insulated. Yes, touching a frayed wire causes a short circuit. Yes, because your body is a good conductor, because you have liquids inside your body with salts. So the liquid with salts, this is good conductor. So the current can flow. So when you touch a frayed wire, this means your body becomes a part of the circuit. So the current flow through your body. Yes? So you got shock quickly. Touching a frayed wire causes a short circuit since current can flow through a person and there is less resistance. Shocks can be prevented. How can I prevent these shocks? Shocks can be prevented with devices that redirect current or break circuit. Break circuit, so when I speak about break circuit, I speak about fuse. Fuse, it's a small device that's used in a circuit that melt when the appliance got hot or appliance uses a lot of electrical energy. So this keep your appliances from damage when the fuse melt. Yes? Other types of devices that used to redirect current, circuit breakers are switches that will bend away from circuit as they heat up, and we can reset it. Look at circuit breakers. Look at circuit breakers. What happens when you use a lot of appliance, so overload of electricity, this make the circuit breakers, or make the switch bend away. This is called circuit breakers. Yes, and then I will reset it again, or rise it again, so the current will flow again. Yes, this is keep your appliance from damage. Circuit breakers. Look at the old fuse, this metal, thin wire of metal that connect these two parts. When the use a lot of electrical energy by appliances, this wire melt, and when the wire melt, this is keep your advice from damage, or keep appliances from damage, and this is cut the circuit and turn off all appliances and turn off the light. But by this way, I keep the or I protect the appliances in my home from damage. But this is old way fuses. Yes, by using a thin wire. The new one, circuit breakers, are switches that will bend away from circuit as they heat up and can reset. Okay, look at your book, this lesson, 200 electric power and safety. 183, we can calculate current equal power divided voltage in page 183. This is so easy. And in page 184 speaks about the energy equal power time time. We can do it so easy about the assessment. The power of appliance can be found by multiplying voltage time current, and we can calculate the energy equal 800 assessment number B, 850 time 100 and a half hours. We can calculate the energy with kilowatt. And short circuit called about the short pathway that with less resistance, and if you touch a frayed wire, this causes a short circuit, so current can flow through your body and cause shock for you. Yes, look at page 185, coffee maker with the fuse. Yes, that fuse. Look at the shape of the fuse that used in coffee maker. Okay, and now we use circuit breakers in all buildings and also at your home. This switch that will bend away from circuit as they heat up. Thank you, all of you.